So I've just done this makeup tutorial and I want to put this headpiece into my hair. A lot of people ask me how to put them in, so I'll show you. All the chains are all on separate pieces, and what you want to do is find the center, which is here, and make sure that the chain in the center is identified and not twisted. So it's not that complicated. There's the center chain, and chuck that on your head. Everything else will fall into place in time. So that's the center chain, and that will go on my head, and I'm just going to put some pins through it. Hi there. Hello. Just putting some pins through it. You can be really neat with the pins, I don't bother. There's so much going on in this, you're not going to notice any pins. Okay, hello. Okay, so I like to work backwards actually, just taking this and deciding how you want to go with them. I really like the whole coming straight down look at this moment, so I'm going to take that and pin them on either side here. They've got little hooks in, but pinning is just so much easier. And when you pin in, turn the pins upside down, so don't pin in straight across the scalp that way, turn it round upside down, so these little grooves here at the bottom really grip. It's totally something you can do yourself. Then the next one are these pearls here. You can just see there. Again, take them straight down. I'm trying to hide the fact that I opened that with my teeth. I know it grosses some people out. I'm getting better, so much better than I used to be. Before I just could not do without opening with my teeth. Now it's just every now and then. And then taking these two here and straight down again. This is where you can get creative. You could, if you wanted to make it more ornate, cross them over. Actually, I really like that. Really like that. Just making sure that they're not twisted. I'm going to cross it over, guys. I think that looks nice, so. I'm just going to pin it like that. Looks so pretty. I've got that song Sara Zamana in my head now. Sara Zamana. I can't sing, not like Maya. Maya tells me every day, you can't sing, mommy. This is the front bit, and you can really decide what you want to do here. So you can carry on with the whole going down theme. You can cross it over, which I really love crossing things over like that. Like, how ornate does that look? I'm gonna go with that. You don't have to. It's sitting on my lashes. I wanted to do this for so long, you guys. You don't know how long. And then this, you can have it straight down here for a bit more of a traditional Afghani bridal look, or you can bring it back a little bit more, I think would look nice. I've always liked like this little drape with big hair, but I haven't done my hair today. So following that chain there, this does not feel heavy at all, by the way, can I just say. I think I'm going to just follow this line here. Let that pearl just frame my brows right there. I can just have it sitting under, to be honest, but I like a little gap, just so that you can really tell it's ornate. When there's no gap, it kind of looks like one piece, and then you don't appreciate it as much. Guys, don't forget to check out this makeup tutorial. It was kind of a creative play, but as we know, some of these makeup looks can be very bridal as well. Use the hook in here just to hook that to the hair, because I've pinned it I'll just use a pin. Pinned it away from the hook, right? I pinned it kind of a bit closer to the top, and so the end isn't catching there. So this is how you pin a very, you know, it's heavy in terms of the piece itself, weighty, but the way you put it on is not weighty. It's kind of very spread out and balanced. And that's how you put it on quickly and easily. Really perfect with performers, dancers. I totally missed the pin, I think, there. I did. I pinned away from the hook. I didn't pin it where I wanted to. There you go, catch the hook, Nisha. There we go. And then you can tweak it, play with it, set it the way you want, and I think that looks amazing. Here I've just paired it with a little ponytail. You can like have it big. There's just, you know, you can have like a bridal bun and look a bit Sitaji-ish. If you put a bun and make it big and have big hair with a big hairstyle. Something here. Or even just hair down. If I take this down, this is going to fall out actually, because there's nothing to hold this in. Obviously my hairband here holding this, all this scalp hair taut is holding this in place. So if you can do this on loose hair, but then you've got to create something underneath that loose hair, like some form of back comb to hold these in place. But it is doable. Sometimes I just like to thread them, and that way they stay in. Maybe a little hidden braid underneath with these sewn into it, and then the loose hair down behind it would look amazing. So really hope you like this little quick tutorial. These are available on my website. I've got several different styles. Please do check them out at www.NISHA'S.com. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. My thumbnail.